How to back up WhatsApp images in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can back up WhatsApp images in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, there you will see an option on the bottom right called Settings. Tap on the Settings and you should be on your settings for your WhatsApp. After you're on your settings, scroll down a bit. There you will see Chats option. Tap on Chats. After you're on your Chats section, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to head over to Chat Backup. Before we do that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, head over to Chat Backup then. And after you do that, there you'll see an option called backup right here. Mine is already backing up. So just wait till you see the backup option, tap on backup. Also make sure that you include videos if you want them. You can also turn on auto backup if you want that as well. After you tap on backup, your WhatsApp will start backing up on your iCloud. Also, now since you guys are using iPhone, you cannot do this on your Google Photos or Google Drive. So yeah, just back it up on your iCloud, and after you do that, you can then restore your backup if you ever change your device. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.